Hey y'all, it's your girl Danny Nashay back with another hair tutorial. Alright y'all, so today I will be doing a deep side part with layers. So first things first, I am going to part out her leave out. And I'm super precise on this part just because I like the hair to fall a certain way into my client's face. Also, get a small comb and place it up under the hair that you're leaving out just to ensure that you have enough coverage for your tracks. Now I'm just going to braid her down and prepare her for the cap. Now all I'm about to do is just place the cap over her head and put the glue protectant all over the cap where her hair is. And then I'm going to place her up under the dryer for 25 minutes just to ensure that the product is fully dried. Alright y'all, I'm just cutting out the excess cap to get that on off her head. The hair that I'm using today is Remy Dreamweaver. I highly recommend this for bobs, for quick weaves, for any hairstyle that you could possibly get. It's the best for real. So now we're just going to go ahead and glue these tracks on in her head. Make sure you blow dry the first two just so they could have like a stronger hold. Just in case you want to put her hair in a ponytail or anything. Alright, so now I'm cutting layers. Please make sure that you frame either your face or your client's face. Okay? Do not be scissor happy. Take your time during this part. Now I'm just going in with my T3 curler and curling her on up. I use Camera Silkening Mist just to give it that silky shiny look. after you're done curling, you're just going to go in with some hairspray. I use Sebastian hair shaper just to, hold my curls in place and to sleek out my leave out. And I'm going to go over it with a hot comb just to give it a more defined look. Now I'm just combing the hair to the back just so that it can give it more volume. Look at those curls. Like, I am a sucker for a side part and some layers with curls. You have to get curls. It's a necessity. Here, I'm just making sure every piece of hair is in place, going in with my wax stick. I would like if you guys comment some quick weave styles that you guys would like to see more tutorials of. Please do that. And this is the finished results. Thank you guys for watching. See you Friday.